How's it, man? You've come through to Berry King Waterproofing. We are doing a installation of an Aquapol machine in a house here in Dunblane, Equestrian Estate. This is quite a renowned estate. Homes are in the region of 1,000 to 1,500 square meters. This particular home behind me here, as you can see over there, has severe issues with regards to rising damp. So we're going to resolve the rising damp with our Aquapol machine, and we're going to then have it as a preventative measure so that damp may never affect the property. Stay tuned for further information. Cheers. Alright, we're at the stage of setting up now. As you can see, we have the laptop set out, the plans are set out, as well as the sartorius is set up to measure the moisture in the brick. And this is the team that's here.
Basics in for your guys, just to show them a few changes that have occurred. Dryware work, so it's Aquapol work method statement. Okay. So first of all, the inspection. Train sales team to contact the clients and arrange a convenient time to do the site inspection. So he's done that, he's got the sale. Establish client requirements, explain the unique solution. Pre-installation, contact the client and arrange date and time for installation. So you can read all of this. Yes. We'll modify it for the purposes of Aquapol, and also the name, these device names, that's called an Inca. There's a biofuel, there's a disc, which we have here, I'll show you, and then there's a big one called the Apple. Yeah. So you'll have the first being the general sales data, which is the floor plan, which is very important because we mark certain things on there. Why do we need a floor plan? Because on days of installation, we take measurements at very specific points. Now, a year later or 9 months later, we come in and do that same drill test. If we don't know where that point is, and we drill into the wall and we get a different kind of brick, different bricks have different moisture porosity. So you get a different reading when time goes and the house hasn't dried up. No, you just get a different brick. So we're very specific about duplicating exactly what we did on date of installation, 9, 12 months later. Accurate. Total like for like, apples for apples situation. So then you want also information and photographic evidence of everything stored. Then there's the installation checklist, installation note, operations manual, device installation check sheet, and then the wall measurements check sheet. Those 5 documents are here. 1, 2, 3, 40 documentation to the procedural document. Technical installation procedure. The most important thing is to make sure you arrive on time. It's just like a running commentary on what you should be doing. If you're going to be delayed. So it's the device, it's serial number 151209, which we insert on the documentation. But it has this here, which is the device itself, and then it's almost, for simple terms, it's the non-interference zone. You don't want to have anything interfering with the device in which is 43 centimeters. So when you're installing the device, you're looking to make sure that this, because you have to have this area, I go for 100% free of anything. Sometimes it might be difficult where you have a piece of steel or a cable or something because you're putting it into the ceiling. So a minimum of 90% free up to 100%. So we try to go for 100% free, just to ensure that free of certain specific walls. There's Wi-Fi receivers, electromagnetic interference like DB boards, cabling, wiring, because we're dealing with energy. And you'll see we have a lot of instrumentation which will go, and in fact it's something you should do right now. Check high frequency of energy interference, because if we don't get a proper ground, it's drawn water from the air. So we have to advise the client, listen, you've got the hygroscopic plaster, you have to take it off. And after we've dried out the property here. Also, another very key point is if your salt, if your plaster is wetter than the inside wall, we also know that the surface is absorbing more external moisture than getting from rising damp. So it is also hygroscopic. Those are very, very key points, which I'll put over here. Have you got a GAN here, Steve?
Yes.
Another very important reading is the GAN reading. G-A-N-N. That's what is it called? It measures conductivity, but really a surface reading. So what we're getting the height of the average GAN reading where we drill, which shows condensation moisture as well as water that is coming up from the ground and being evaporating out of the wall. So that gives you a rough idea of how high your rising dam is. Your internal drill points will verify that. If we mark the GAN reading, because a year later you come and drill for 9 months, and that reading has dropped dramatically, it's an indicator for your client to say that your condensation and internal moisture readings have dropped dramatically. The solution's working very well. So we're going for perfection in terms of what we measure for the client. There are a whole lot of other measurements which I'll go through. That's essentially the end of it.
Okay, the next stage is we're going to be installing the rod.
8mm butts. When we drill the holes in the wall, they're 10mm butts.
So that we can install the Aquapol machine in this dedicated area.
So we're going to see if we're going to hit rebar here.
See if it's a water pipe or not.
Yeah, this is so soft. You want to rather, screw it in first to make it tighten it up. You hear that?
Yeah, it does.
Then you know it's in properly.
Into the brass.
Yeah. Do it, but you'll get physical mass on what we're doing, and it's so simple. As long as you just stick to the procedure, make sure you cross all the kind of T's, dot the I's, and all those specific readings are in place. Yes. Because essentially, the installation of the device, the grounding, that's an installation. Mm-hmm. Everything else we do is for the benefit of the client. Because they look at this magic ball and they go like, what are you talking about? I'm going to go with you because your references are brilliant and you've dried out Sun City and you've dried out all these big places, so I'm going to go with you. But I want verification over time that it works. So everything we do post this is for the benefit of the client. And for the client not to come back and say, hey. Point in the garages. Can we find a draw point in the garages?
Maybe not. I'm not too sure.
Maybe this one on this side.
We'll check.
Because if we do a polarity test at the furthest point, and we get the reverse of the polarity, which the device will show us after an hour of being installed, we know we've covered the whole area.
So it won't be in that corner because there's an extension. There's a quarters and there's a bathroom. Further is down here.
Yeah, then we will use that area.
Right, there's a room at the back there. Right in the corner.
So from here to there, I'm guessing is about 35 meters, eh? And then you check that, and if it shows a specific reading, you know that it's automatically earthed. I just want to check, because we were showing metal before, and if you have that earthing, and you repeat the test and it shows exactly the same reading, wire in a cable. Okay.
Special test is 325 volts.
So you're getting nothing.
Okay. wet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's going to be our M1 as well. So let's just kind of get some.
One point about the polarity, we read that up, was when you do a polarity test, you must look for places wet, up to at least 50 centimeters. Well, that's a recommendation anyway, according to the policy.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have 50, we have like 30. As long as one of the, like the bottom point is in a wet thing, yes. You want to measure that.
So we never had a problem before, but I mean, it's just, when I came back from Dubai, I did something, you know, since it's quite a while.
Yeah, it's more than 6 months.
Nice.
He's a quick learner.
Certificate of installation after this one.
No, I think so. It's, I mean, drilling, what's it to drilling? Drilling is...
Well, it's 7 centimeters. And
26.
26.
Yeah.
I'll say 25 is the standard.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah.
25 centimeters. So that is,
So I need some trays.
it's going to be about 11 centimeters. And then we're going to have 21, 31, 41.
Yeah.
We'll draw. Do you want to do it in tens? Because it's not that high. We do it in tens or 15s?
15s.
Fine.
Tens. Which is what, about 2 centimeters.
Yeah, it's
then?
about 15 mils. About.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we want to get up to 1.5 to 2 grams. Put the cup on top, then drill in 10 centimeters and get a sample.
Okay.
And then the other holes you don't have to get to plaster.
Just the one.
Yeah.
Okay. See what the content of the plaster is.
From the ground up. You can get plaster higher up. But for this exercise, no. I want to get one plaster and then I want to get internal. Because the internal is really what we're going for in terms of a reduction. And it'll also show us how high the rising damp is.
So for Steve to come with the cups.
And then I'll put this cup at the bottom. Okay, now when you come out, move this thing out there. When you come out, you're gonna now grab it and put it in. Okay, go, take it out, and then paste will go inside. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now scoop that all into there. That's it. Done. Okay, here's your first sample. And then the next one we're gonna go.
Just straight in with a 10, because this bit should be cold by now.
Yeah.
And oh, this was brick that came out now.
Was it brick that came out?
Yeah. Do you want to where's the cup?
Okay, so drill in first, all the way. Go, 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 go. Okay, stop. Okay, cup. And then when you take it out, play with it in and out like that so that you can get
some
yeah,
sample.
yeah. Okay. Okay, go back in again. Okay, out. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that looks bone dry.
That's good.
If it's sticking to the bit, then it is sticking to the bit a bit. Okay, now we're doing a polarity test.
The time is 1 hour later, or minimally 1 hour. You can wait 2 hours.
Touch them together. You see that goes to 0 millivolts.
Did you get millivolts, Zero?
Yeah, we just
No, we'll put it in the bottom one. Put it in the bottom one. The red bottom.
Yeah, let me just see what
And then-
it's got. Yeah, that's right.
You got the right one, and then just touch it on
Touch it on there.
the
It's
copper
still running.
metal.
Still running.
Yeah, good.
that's
Good.
it.
So that just shows.
Just make sure those pins are out.
Now stick it in the top one.
So you get the top one.
And
Now we wait 5 minutes.
Stick it more in.
There's one probe we need
That's
to.
this one, Steve.
We need to get some Q20 on it. Yeah, they've been. I just found them, so I'll get some Q20 when we.
you want to wait?
Yeah, we'll wait 5 minutes.
30.
Time for a smoke. Sorry?
I have to wait 5 minutes. I want to get salt after. Okay, so plaster typically we only got 1 gram, which is fine. So let's. So ideally you do one seep in into the and then you put it on, and you'll get a reading. 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to get it below the...
Reading. It's the first figure that pops up on the screen. So in this case, we press it twice. 1, 2, minus 78. It's actually staying pretty close anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Minus 78. So, I'll leave it there.
You're going to leave it there?
Yeah.
Because you wait for the machine to be installed first, and then you have to come back.
We have to come back in an hour.
Oh, yeah.
But in the meantime, we need this as well. What, for this? For there, I can't do it yet. But I'm going to go and do the other so.
Yeah, we've
Are
got
you guys going to go and do it?
I'll go with Martin.